All right, so we're going to talk about the labels and what information is on the labels and why there are two different color labels for the exact same oil. So we'll start with the solid color labels. This one is intended for a topical use or to be used in your diffuser. So it gives you the oil name. It also tells you that it's a 100% therapeutic pure oil, meaning there are no additives in there when it comes from Young Living. It also tells you the size of the bottle. The 15 ml bottles have roughly 250 to 280 drops, depending on the thickness of the oil. Roll it over to the side and it will tell you how to use the oil, whether you need to dilute it or not, and then it tells you that it needs to be used topically or in your diffuser. And there is also a lot number on there also. Now, if you go to the smaller bottles, and this goes the same for any of the small bottles, not just the Vitality line, it gives you the same information, the bottle name, the size of the bottle. But in order to figure out the usage or how it's intended to be used, you may have to peel back the label just a little bit, and then it will give you more information. So for instance, on here, it's telling you that to dilute 1 drop with 4 drops of a carrier oil or put in a capsule and ingest once daily. So it's the same information, it's just the smaller bottles. You're probably going to have to pull it back a little bit just to get all of the information. So your solid color label is going to be for a topical or diffusing purposes. And then your white labels, your Vitality line, it's going to be used for your cooking, ingesting, putting it in a capsule, or anything like that. I hope that was helpful.